Let's read stories together.
My toy has a blue star. The sun shines through the classroom windows. Children sit in a big circle on the colorful carpet. Today is show and tell day. Everyone holds something special. Tubby adjusts his white cat ear headphones and smiles. His fire truck sits in his lap. Tubby's fire truck is bright red with tiny wheels. It has a ladder on top and little doors that open. But most special of all, it has a tiny blue star sticker on the back. Tubby found it at Grandma's house last summer. Who wants to share first? Asks Mrs. Chen, their kind teacher. Children raise their hands high. Sarah shows her doll. Marcus shares his dinosaur book. Soon it will be Tubby's turn. His heart beats fast with excitement. Tubby, would you like to share? Mrs. Chen smiles. Tubby stands up carefully, holding his fire truck tight. All his friends look at him. He feels proud and a little nervous. This is my special fire truck, he begins. Leo sits across the circle. His eyes get big when he sees Tubby's truck. Wait, Leo calls out loudly. That's my truck. I lost it yesterday. Leo points at Tubby's fire truck. The other children turn to look. No, this is mine, Tubby says softly, hugging his truck closer. Leo shakes his head hard. My truck looks just like that. It's red with a ladder. Both boys feel confused and upset. Their faces turn red. Leo reaches for the truck. Give it back. It's mine. Tubby holds on tight, but it's really mine, he says. Both boys start to cry. The other children watch with worried faces. Mrs. Chen steps closer. Big tears roll down Tubby's cheeks. Leo cries too. The fire truck gets pulled back and forth. Stop, you'll break it. Tubby sobs. His heart hurts. How can he prove the truck is really his? Through his tears, Tubby remembers Grandma's words. Use your words, little one. Tell people exactly what you see. Tubby takes a deep breath. His cat ear headphones feel warm on his head. He has an idea. Tubby stops crying and breathes slowly. In, out, in, out. His hands stop shaking. He looks at his special truck carefully. He notices all the little details that make it his. Time to use his words. Wait, Leo, Tubby says clearly. Look at the back of this truck. Do you see the tiny blue star sticker? It's right here behind the ladder. Tubby points to the small star. Leo looks closely and stops crying. And see this red button? Tubby presses it. Beep. The truck makes a sound. When I push it, it beeps like a real fire truck. Does your truck make this sound too? Leo thinks hard and shakes his head. I found this truck at my grandma's house, Tubby explains. She put the blue star on it because stars are my favorite. We played with it in her garden all day long. His voice sounds proud and happy. Leo's face changes. He looks sorry now. My truck doesn't have a blue star, and it doesn't beep either. I was wrong. He wipes his eyes. I'm sorry, Tubby. Your truck is different from mine. Tubby smiles at Leo. That's okay. We all make mistakes. Maybe we can play fire trucks together later? Leo nods happily. Yes, I'd like that. The two boys hug. All the children clap their hands. Mrs. Chen smiles proudly. Tubby, thank you for using such clear words. Would you like to let everyone hold your truck? Tubby nods. Sure, but please be gentle with my blue star. He passes it around the circle. Each child holds the truck carefully. They see the tiny blue star. They press the red button and hear the beep. Wow, Tubby, it's so cool, they say. Everyone feels happy. The classroom fills with laughter and friendship. Show and tell ends with smiles. Tubby feels proud that he solved the problem with kind words. Leo feels glad he learned something new. Mrs. Chen hugs both boys. You both did wonderful today, she says softly. When we use clear, descriptive words like colors, shapes, sounds, and special details, we help others understand exactly what we mean. Just like Tubby's blue star and beeping sound, describing things carefully helps solve problems and makes sharing more fun for everyone. And so, Tubby and Leo became the best of friends, all because of a little blue star and a very special fire truck. They learned that using their words was the best way to solve any problem.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.